Hi everyone, again welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to get the coordinates of the curve in order for you to easily draw the curve using your calculator. So in order to do that, we need to press mode then 7. So 7 meaning that is table. So the result in the table, these are the coordinates of a certain function that is being inserted. So for instance, this will be 7. So we have function of x. So function of x that represent the value of y or the variable y. So in our case, we have 1. So we have y squared equal 4x. So to solve the value of y is just square root of this one. So we need to write it down. The calculator display. That's it. So we have square root of 4x. Then we need to assign values for start and end increment of the graph. So to do that, for instance, we have this one. So we have the x-axis, and we have the y-axis. So this will be the end, start. This will be the start. And this part will be our end. Sorry. So just press equal. So we have now the start. So I will start. Start can be any value. So it depends on the user and how he want the curve to appear. No? For example, you can use negative 10, you can use negative 20. So in my case, I will use negative 5. So this will be negative 5. Then equal, we have n. So I want it to be symmetrical with my start point. So this will also be 5. Then step meaning this is the equal. So this is what we called as the interval. This one. So that is the interval. So in my case, I want it to be 1. So this will be negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, we have 1, we have 0, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, and then 5. So by pressing equal, we will have now the equation, the coordinates of every point. So as we observe, we have found an error. It means that there is no point in this section. So we have now this one error. Then we come up with 0, 0. So it means to say that we have this point 0, 0. Next point, we have at 1, we have 2. So at 1, we have 2. So this one. Then at 2, we have 2.2. So we will reduce this one. Then at 3, we have 3.46. It's almost 4. 1, 2, 3.46 in 3. Ayan shown this one. And in 4, we have 4. So 4, then 4. So we can now draw the curve. Decreasing this one. So we have now a curve. So that's it. So by property of parabola, so this part also here will also be could be the parabola. Next is I want to draw this line 2x plus y. So if we transpose the value, the variable 2x at this at the other side, so we have this was easy. So we need to change this one. So this will be 4 minus 2 alpha x. Then we need to press equal. Then it must be the start and the end point must be equal to the coordinates of the parabola, as we have drawn earlier. So this will be n5 step 1. So these are the values. So again, we need to graph that. Then we observe that it is decreasing. So at 0 we have now 4. Oops. Sorry. So I need to draw that. Sorry for that. Okay. So next is we need to draw the line. So as observed, so at 4 and so on. So probably this could be the case. So we have now the parabola and the line. So this equation is y squared equal 4x, and this line is 2x plus y equal 4. So I think that's it. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates.